Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring QVR hair. Big thank you to QVR for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I am doing another crochet install. This is my braid pattern and foundation. So the curl pattern that I am installing today is their Ramen curl. I have 5 packs of the 20-inch, and I will be doing leave out. So you do see I have a perimeter braid that is going to be all leave out. So this is what the link looks like. This curl pattern is really pretty. It's a nice coil. So with this package, they did send over a beater tool. So I'm going to show you how to install the crochet with both tools. The beater tool that was provided and a regular crochet hook. What I like about the beater tool is it's healthier and less harsh on your hair, but I will suggest if you want to use this tool and you want to use it for a long time, just invest in a good quality tool, because if you use a flimsy one, it is going to be warped by the end of your install. So as you can see here, I take the tool and I stick the tool under my braid. Now through that hole in the beater tool, I put the crochet hair link in there. I put the top of it in there where I have the actual crochet link, and then I slide it through the braid. Now once that comes under the braid, I can just tie it one time, because for those of you that know, when it comes to crochet, I only secure it one time. I'd never ever do it twice, because if you ask me, you were just asking for trouble when it comes down to the takedown. So I will be zooming in so you can see this up close. I'm going to repeat this step quite a few times because I know just word of mouth isn't going to work for most people, or all people I should say. Some people are more like visual learners. So here I am just up close and I'm showing you this entire process. So here I am just going to continue to do this process, and I'm starting on the first braid behind my leave out braid. So I only use one link while working on that first braid. As I move towards the back of the head and the middle of the head, I start to loop 2 crochet links at a time. I like to keep it nice and full by using 2 links, but I never want to put that at my first braid because I don't want any bulkiness. I don't want it to look super unnatural, because with this braid pattern and with this style, I want to be able to pull it into a ponytail or pull it up in a bun, and if it's too bulky behind that leave out, it's going to look strange. So that's why I use one link, and then moving towards the back of the head, that's when I start to add in 2 links at a time. So I'm going to repeat this process through and through. It is very simple. Towards the middle of the video, you will see me transition to the traditional crochet hook, and that's only because I wore those beater tools out. I did get a beater tool with each pack of hair, and I do have 5 packs of the 20-inch, but when I tell you, that thing, each one of those was leaning by the time I was done. It's a lot. So I definitely suggest getting a quality tool. So I'm going to repeat that step until I get to the middle, and that's when I use the traditional crochet hook. What I do like about this hair is it is very full. This is 100% human hair, so I will be wetting this hair down and adding some product to it. I am now a crochet girl. I'm not gonna hold you. When I first started doing crochet, it was so new to me, so I wasn't really into it. But now that I've learned to do it and I can do it the way that I like, you can't tell me nothing. I prefer to do the crochet installs with leave out. So now that I'm more into crochet, I know I like to do it with leave out. You can get a fire crochet install with no leave out, but I like the sew-in look because crochet gives you a flawless, seamless sew-in look, but it's so much more lightweight. These are featherweight crochet links, so you feel like you don't have anything going on up there. It's not the same as a sew-in. I feel like the sew-in is kind of tight. That first day, your head is so tight. It's so tense. I mean, you know how a sew-in is, but with crochet, it's totally different, but you can get the same effect. I'm talking middle part, side part, flip over, and this is honestly just a flip over look. You can even compare this to the half wig look that is trending right now. So I've definitely been feeling crochet as of lately. As far as QVR hair, I have worked with them quite a few times. If you want to check the end of this video, or I'll make one pop up right here. I'll have a playlist pop up. I have tried quite a few different textures of their crochet hair, and I have also tried their bulk hair. QVR is also available on TikTok. If you have purchased from them before, I'd love to hear your experience. You can drop that down below and let me know how that went. But so far, so good. I actually have any crochet hair that I have installed from them, I still have it. So if you guys have any questions or suggestions on me remixing these looks, let me know. And I'm working my way to the very end. I love how seamless this was, and I love how natural this looked. So my hair, I'm natural, so when I wet my hair, it does curl up. I have quite a bit of heat damage, but I still get like a little curl in the front. So what I'm going to do when I'm finished with this is I'm going to take down that leave out braid. I'm going to work some water, some leave-in conditioner, and some gel into my leave out, and then I'm going to blend that into this hair. So right now I have moved on to the traditional hook, and as you can see, I am feeding in these links. I also wet this hair because, as I stated, it is 100% human hair, so you can do that. And when I tell you I'm in love with this finished look, right now as I'm doing this voiceover, I have this up in a real big bun, and I do have leave out in the back too, so it just looks and feels so natural. I think I'm gonna wear it just like this tomorrow, like the high poofy bun. I did cut a little bit of this on camera, but I think I would like to chop some more layers in there. I'm always skeptical because if I want to reuse this hair, I don't want it to be all chopped up. What I really want to do is make a crochet wig, but I'm getting ahead of myself. But look how this looks. This curl pattern is gorgeous, y'all. And like I said, it's 20 inches. It's the perfect length. So it's very full, 5 packs. You can get as many packs as you want, as little as you want. If your hair is longer, fuller, you probably need less hair. But here I'm taking out that leave out. Those are the products that I'm using, and I'm working those into my hair. I'm going to do my little swoopy doops because, of course, they have me in a chokehold. And then I will trim a little bit of the hair. And baby, look at this. Okay? 10 out of 10. QVR, you do not disappoint. So let me know what you guys think about this look. Are you feeling the crochet hair? I definitely need to just call this the crochet series. So I do have a playlist called Crochet Series. If you want to check that out, that will be at the end of this video. Shout out to all y'all for watching another one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I feel like 7 billion souls.